Hi, I am so excited to come to you after my fabric haul today in Hobby Lobby. It wasn't so much a fabric haul as it was a pattern haul. But you guys need to know, today is July 5th, if you hear firecrackers going off in the background. Today's July 5th, and what I've learned is that the fabric stores, including Hobby Lobby, when 4th of July hits, all of their spring goods are no longer in season. So they put everything on drastic markdowns. In Hobby Lobby, do you see these labels? This one is $3, this one is $2 a yard. I want to start with fabric. This one is the one that I got the most excited about, as boring as it might be. Linen, 100% linen. It's a very, very lightweight linen. You may even be able to see through it. Let's see. I wanted all of it, so I had to buy it in 2 sections. You can probably see through it. And we need see-through fabric around here, see-through cottons, because y'all, in Louisiana, it is sweltering out here, and we've had rain, rain, rain. For 2 years now, we've had nothing but rain. Last year, in the middle of summer, about this time last year, we came out of a 10-year drought because we had so much rain. Well, it just hasn't stopped. So this gorgeous linen, I get so easily sidetracked. I paid $2 a yard for this beautiful linen. So this is about to go in the machine. Yes, I already have some linens like this, but it was $2 a yard. I mean, my gosh. I think I got 4 yards. I paid $8. $8. I got 4 yards of linen. That's crazy. So then, this really pretty knit. This is like 95% cotton, and then, you know, some spandex. Love this. 4 yards, $3 a yard, 12 bucks. I wanted a lot more because I wanted to make this dress out of it. Let me see, I know it's in here. Did I bring it? Oh, I didn't bring it. Yeah, I did. I want to try this dress. This is Simplicity 8930. And I thought that might be a fun thing to try, is that dress. But if it's not going to be a dress, I can make it a top. But it has that great navy in the background, which works so well with my capsule wardrobe that I'm building right now. Very excited about that. Next, you can see that I bought the bolts. Super hyper about this. This is a poly rayon spandex. Yes, I never ever buy polyester. I guess I really can't say that I never ever buy polyester, because I did buy this polyester. I don't know what this is going to be, but there were 6 yards on the bolt and I took it all. I don't know, but it's a knit. I always need more knits, right? You gotta have more knits. And then, oh, so thrilled with this one. This one has me really excited too. This was originally $9 a yard. It's $3 a yard now. It is a linen and rayon stripe. Very sheer. It's very sheer. Well, I can't see you through it, but I definitely will need to make something that can be see-through with a tank underneath it. I wanted 7 yards. They only had like 6 1/4, 6 1/2, something like that. So I bought it all. But here's what I'm thinking about with this. A pattern that I already own. I have never made a shirt before. Never been into them. Oh, I'm just sweating like crazy out here. I'm glowing. I'm positively glowing. This is a Mimi G pattern. Let me get it. It's got the display number on it. So this is technically 8830 Mimi G, her shirt. I love the shirt. I love the high-low hem that it's got on it. And I think that I would like to try making a shirt out of this. Very lightweight, and then maybe do a palazzo pant too. So if I need to make this shirt, I won't do pockets. These girls are just too much out there for me to put big pockets on them. That's just my personal taste. You put all the pockets you want on your big boobs. I don't mind. But I think if I don't have enough to do pants and a shirt, I might forego the sleeves on this one. but I would really like to be able to just do the whole thing. So we'll see how that goes, right? Okay, that's all the fabric I bought. So I said it wasn't a real big haul of fabric, but it was a big haul of patterns. We'll start with the ones that where I made the video right at Hobby Lobby today, just maybe 2 hours ago. We'll start with this one. This is not for public viewing. It's never anyone's business what I spend. And I'm talking about the hubs. I don't need permission. Okay, I picked up Mimi G's jeans. This is a straight leg jean pattern. But you know as well as I do that you can take a straight leg pattern and make a wide leg out of it. I personally love a wide leg jean. So this is Mimi G 8516. I'm pretty excited about sewing this because she sews for us curvy girls. She designs her patterns for curves, so that's really fantastic. Very excited about Simplicity 8516. And I thought, you know what? I can make some shorts. So I wanted to do this. I love a skirt. Love a skirt. Simplicity 1370. Very, very cute. There is not a skirt on this cover that I don't like. So I'm particularly fond of E. I'm fond of D. And I don't know if D is just a skirt. E and D are just skirts. But you know, A is a skirt. So I might even try putting the shorts underneath D or E, just for fun. But I thought, why not try making some shorts, right? Okay. Simplicity 8649. Digging this. It's so cute. I just like the shorts on it, but I love the fact that front and back, gosh, you guys, the humidity here. The front and back are a flat waistband. And I'm gonna try it, and I need to get to it. I also love the fact that view D has slits all the way up to the knees. I think that's pretty freaking awesome. So that might be a cool pant maybe to make out of this blue stripe fabric. I don't know yet. More patterns that I want to go by. I had to take a break and go grab something to wipe my brow with. Okay, this one is so adorable. A skirt with shorts under it. All these different views. Simplicity 8343. I love it. I think it's going to be really cute and a lot of fun, and I can't wait to sew this one up. This one I really love. They were previewing, Simplicity was previewing its fall releases. So this skirt is Simplicity 8958. I really like it because it's fitted on top. Excuse me, girls. It's fitted on top down to the hip, and then it has a flare. So I think that's really flattering for us because the tops I wear are going to skim my midsection anyway because it sits here and pokes out. So this one I'm very excited to sew with. And in Louisiana, we don't have winter. We have spring and fall. And it's summer. So we have like a 6 or 7, 8 month summer. And then we have a 3 or 4 month spring fall season, and our average low here is only 35, so we don't really get cold here. Very rarely, occasionally we have cold days, but spring and summer clothing is what we wear all the time. We just like to get into the fall colors. All right, another one I'm totally pumped about. Simplicity 8885. Love these loud print, yellow print pants. Just love them. I noticed that in my size for pant view C, which is the fun gold print, that's almost 4 yards of fabric, but view D is only 3 yards of fabric. So I thought that might be fun for this fabric right here too. Make a long shirt out of this and then make a big leg pant out of it. I have big leg pant patterns already, but I guess we can always have more, right? Okay, Simplicity 8474. This is a hacking pattern, and I can tell you what I love about it. It's just a simple skirt made out of a knit, so it's a really simple basic, but it has a pickup design, which I thought was really cute. I'm not going to go making myself any mini skirts like it's showing in 3 and 4, but I will make a shorter skirt out of that, and all of this will work really nicely with my capsule wardrobe idea. So I'm excited about that. Let's see. Love these pants, y'all. With my Ivy Abbott's inspiration, that's where this whole making a layered capsule wardrobe idea came from. These pants are so perfect. So I love the details at the bottom. Simplicity 8922. I'm really looking forward to sewing these pants because so many of the pants in the layered look are very large at the bottom and almost cartoonish in my opinion. Just my opinion. You wear all the cartoon pants you want to. But for me personally, I like to keep my lines a little straighter from the hips down just to emphasize the narrowness of my rib cage area to my under bust. Take it where you can get it, right? Okay. I bought another amazing fit pattern. I haven't used any of these yet. What am I doing? I have no idea. But Amazing Fit 8744. It is just a good fitted trouser pant that doesn't use elastic. I may never sew it, but at least I have it, right? For $1.99. Did I already say that? That Simplicity is $1.99 at Hobby Lobby? Okay. This one's very awesome. Mimi G is now designing men's clothing using her husband as her model and I'm sure her inspiration. I think that my husband would look fabulous in a blazer like this, something casual. I'm sure this is very constructed. I have some beautiful wool fabrics I've had for a few decades that are still just gorgeous and in excellent condition. I've never sewn anything because I get too hot. So maybe I can make him something. Wouldn't that be fun? Tackle something like a blazer. That scares me, but I'm fearless. Simplicity 8951. Very cute cardi. It's short. It's got a fitted shape to it. Now, I don't wear fitted down to the middle of my tummy like this cardi is made, but I do like the idea of a shorter cardi. Ivy Abbott's on her website, she uses short cardis, short shirts, short jackets, so you can put them on and then underneath it a flowy top comes out, and then a flowy skirt comes out, or the flowy top is over pants. She just layers and layers and layers. Well, I think it's beautiful. I've never been formally trained on using sweater knits. I just usually make flowy things. So maybe I have something to learn in this pattern. That's what I'm hoping. Next up is Simplicity 8640. This is just like classic login look, layered look wardrobing. It's looks very loose up here, which is where I like to be fitted. But in view B in the blue, it looks more fitted on her. So I'm hoping that this is more fitted. And then that fun flare at the bottom with the pockets. How cute is that? So that would also work great in my capsule wardrobe boho style. Now this is kind of a one-off that I got, Simplicity 8302. I bought it for that black and white checkered jacket. I don't know if this is a structured jacket. I could read to find out, but I'm guessing it's probably not structured or lined. Let's see here. C only talks about interfacing but not lining fabric. So it's going to be fairly unstructured. I like the idea of this one because in the Ivy Abbott's idea, there are jackets. I just thought it was cute. It looks like it's going to be an easy sew. So I thought, why not? I only have about 4 or 5, maybe 6 jackets and coats in that little section of my pattern collection, my vast pattern collection. So I thought this would be a fun one. You know what, guys? That's a wrap. I had a great time going to Hobby Lobby today. I told myself going in I was going to stick to the $50 cash in my billfold. I so lied to myself. I did not stick to it, but I did come out of there with less than $100 spent. And I got, oh my gosh, I don't know, is this 15 patterns? I have no idea. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 patterns. Not bad. Also, did I mention to you guys that I bought some laces? I thought I would show you this real quick. So it's not a wrap after all. Their laces are 50% off. All of their laces and trims. So I got this beautiful black that is already elasticized. So that would be gorgeous on the bottom of a slip. I like to layer slips underneath my tunics and dresses when I can. This is another one. Gosh, I wish they had had this in a 3 or 4 inch. This is an elasticized one. I love that ecru color. Hard to find laces in that ecru color. but it's one of my favorite colors. I like it. It's a dirty beige is what I think. Then this gorgeous embroidered lace. So beautiful. So beautiful. That can go on a lot of things. I'm just excited to come up with a reason to use that. So they were $2. Those two were $2, and I think the black was $3 a yard. Just grabbed 3 yards of each one. So I didn't spend a lot of money on anything. It's just when it all added up. I almost forgot to talk about the top I'm wearing. I made this probably 3 or 4 years ago from my own sloper. It's a very basic, but then I added this fun little flare to the bottom. This is just 2 pieces. I did put a dart in it. I always like my darts. And I did a couple of neat things with this one. This fabric was so fantastic. I got it at Hancock's for like $2 a yard. I wish I could make them open back up just so I could go find more fabric like this. I'll show you a couple of the details. Right here, I did a binding inside and out. Just sewed it right at the edge. I really love the way it looked. But on the sleeves, I just tucked the binding under. I just tucked the sleeve under and did a stitch very close to the edge. And on the bottom, I did a whole different thing. I just took the fabric, that's the underside of it, and I just flipped it back and sewed it. Originally, my intention was not to hem it at all, but when I saw the contrast and how cute it was, I just think it turned out great. And I love this top. I don't wear it nearly enough. Thanks so much for joining me. I am Robin the Curvy Sewist. Please remember to like my page, to share my page with your sewing friends, your curvy friends. Please comment. I'm not getting a lot of comments from you guys on YouTube. I'm getting a lot of comments on Facebook and on Pinterest, but not so much on YouTube. Please talk to me and tell me what you love, what you might not love. I'd love to hear it. And most importantly, subscribe, okay? Because that's how I get to share the love of curvy sewing with all the curvy girls out there. Thanks so much. I'm Robin the Curvy Sewist. Have a great weekend and try to stay cool.